ऐश्वर्या जो कि यहाँ पर स्टोरी टेलिंग करेंगे।
I am a citizen of that country where king like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Samrat Ashok were born. I am a citizen of that country where in every 50 male appearance, costume, religion get changed. I am a citizen of that country which was known as Golden Bird as it was wealthiest nation. I am citizen of that country who understood this universe geography before their geography. A very fanatic evening to the judges. I am Aishwarya Shivhari. Today I will be speaking on the topic connecting India economically, culturally and geographically. Now when I look at this topic, I can see two aspects. The first aspect is how do we connect India to itself. The second aspect is how do we connect India to other countries globally. So when I talk about the first aspect, I really feel that India is already a connected nation. Now how? NASA has reportedly stated that the sound of rotation of Earth is Om. And we have been worshipping Om, we have been worshipping landscape, rivers, lakes since ages now. Which states that our culture is born out of geography of our country, moving ahead to how culture is connected to the economy. When I talk on this topic, how can I not talk about the heritage tourism that we have, about Char Dham, about Golden Temple, about Haji Ali Dargah, about beautiful churches of Goa. This heritage tourism generates a revenue for our nation, and this revenue helps us build a better, a strong economy, and that we have a stronger economy. Now to the portion of the country that are in the most remote areas, and this will lead not only literate individual but educate individuals, and educated individuals of this nation would arise and develop, and when this would happen our India would arise. Talking to geography, when I see that people who drink water in Bengal, it comes from the Himalayas. People who experience rainfall in Mumbai are clouds that are coming from Gujarat. And we have the second largest network of roads in the world, thanks for the 3% taxpayers of this country. Ahead, I would like to state how India is getting connected to other countries globally. India has been always rich and cultivable land, rich in heritage, and rich is amongst all of us beautiful youth people of the country. This is the reason why the country is like superpowers want to come to us, invest on our land. This does not only bring pride and respect to my country, it is also generate a very strong economical relationship with the countries that are more developed than ours. This is how economically bonds forms between two countries, and this is how we start understanding each other geography. When economy and geography of two countries mix, there is an exchange of culture. We adopt their culture, they adopt our culture. With this, I would like to state the only thing the youth of India can do is strengthen this connection that already exists within India. How can we do this? We can do this by taking active participation and understanding what our responsibilities and our duties toward our country, our nation, our people. And the day we realize our responsibilities, the day we start working hard, the face of this nation will change. And let's do this. Let's hold our hand, hard work even harder, and let's do what India was born to do, to build love, to build respect, and to generate peace. I would like to end my say with the quote, the day of victory, the flag will wave on this land. I repeat, the day of victory, flag will wave on this land, and India will get all it needs. With this I end my say, Jai Hind.
थैंक यू ऐश्वर्या। तो अगली जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो भानु पवैया जी की, जो कि सिंगिंग करेंगे आज। एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कर दीजिए भानु जी का।